Tip number 1, organize your workspace. Have only what you need. I'll tell you why. First, I start by closing all the windows that I never use. The windows that I use for almost every project are the Project tab to import videos, the Effects tab to pick the preset transitions, and the Sequence tab for editing the clips, the Video Monitor to view the edited clips, the Source Monitor to view my imports, the Effect Controls for time coding effects, animations, and transitions, the Lumetri Color, where I color correct and color grade, and finally the Essential Graphics for text. If you can't find a window here, just go up to the Windows tab and open what you need. This will help avoid clutter and you know exactly where to go to get what you want. Tip number 2, toggle between V and C. These are shortcuts for select and cut. So I have my Desert West road trip video file open here. I am going to grab 4 clips and drag and drop it in here. I don't need the entire clip, so I'm going to cut it here. I hit C. I hit V to select and delete. I'm going to do the same to the rest of the clips. This is so much faster than going for these icons here. Tip number 3, color code your imports. So when I import my videos, I bring them in folders according to location and then color code it. So you just select all, right click, label, and you pick a color. I like to use this because I like to see how my video is flowing from one location to another. As you can see in this example, I have white sands in one color and the art district in another. You can see the transition from one to another. It makes it so much easier for storytelling. Tip number 4, lock the layers that are fixed. I usually choreograph my clips to the background music, so I almost never change the background music unless I want to. And so I lock it. I also lock the logo layer, the adjustments layer, which is a color theme of the video. So if you have a lot of layers, then lock the ones that you do not change. Tip number 5, the multiple selection tool. The shortcut for it is A. For example, I want to add this new clip here in between these 2 clips. So if I just drag and drop it there, it's going to overwrite what is already there. So you hit A to multiple select the clips and then you move it. You can also hold down Shift and select just one layer or track. Notice that the lock layers are not getting selected. This is where locking the layers comes in handy. When they are unlocked, this happens. Tip number 6. This is an easy one. You might already know it, but just in case. Alt and click equals copy and paste. To duplicate this clip, I just hold on Alt and click and drag and drop. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So the last one. Tip number 7. Toggle between I and O. These are shortcuts for mark in and mark out. So here in this example, I just want a part of this clip. So I hit I, and then I hit O, drag only the video or the audio alone, or both. Alright, that's about it. I thought I'll make these tutorials. This is just an effort to keep the Sejuel channel going. I added a French pronunciation to it, hence the 2 dots. So yeah, once this whole lockdown COVID situation has subsided, I'll be back to traveling again and making travel videos for you guys. But for now, if you want to learn with me and grow with me, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post the next tutorial for you. I'm going to start off with the very basics in Premiere Pro, and then I'm going to work my way up to more advanced skills like color grading and color correcting and creating your own effects and animation and all that cool stuff. I'm also going to be sharing my personal workflow in Premiere Pro. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta!